Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to dual wield a weapon in Crimson Desert. Dual wielding a weapon allows you to quickly release a flurry of attacks and deal high amounts of damage very fast. To dual wield a weapon, first you need to acquire a secondary one-handed weapon. A one-handed weapon is easy to acquire. If you can't find one, you can just buy a Glenmore sword from the equipment shop.
Let me forge you a blade fit for legends.
Once you have an extra one-handed weapon, open your equipment wheel. Hover your mouse over to your shield and use your scroll wheel to change the equipment equip. Now you can see that when I unsheath, instead of holding a shield, I'm holding my axe. Doing this also changes your attack animation. Dual wielding is perfect for you if you can time all your parries and dodges to land successful attacks continuously. And that is how to dual wield a weapon in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.